Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AM Learn and Grow. So friend, Income Tax Act 2025 finally received the President assent on 21st August 2025 in this monsoon season and passed by the Parliament in this monsoon season with Lok Sabha approval on 11-12 August 2025 and received the presidential assent on 21st August 2025. So it will replace the old cumbersome Income Tax Act 1961. So it will come into effect from 1st April 2026. So what is the major structural overhaul in this Income Tax Act? So sections will be reduced from 819 to 536, chapters from 47 to 23, word count trimmed drastically from 5,12,000 to 2,60,000. So it is like half of the what we are in current Income Tax Act 1961. So it introduces 39 new tables and 40 new formulas to replace the dense legal text. So what is the simplification and modernization done in this act? So the tax year, the unified tax year introduced. So previously in this Income Tax Act 1961, we used the concept of previous year and assessment year, which was very confusing for various persons, various taxpayers. So to made the tax to make the act taxpayer friendly, they use the language very simpler and also introduce the concept of tax year instead of previous year and assessment year. And they eliminated the redundant and obsolete provisions. And also, there will be a faceless tax assessment to reduce the human interface and curb corruption. So, faceless assessment will be done. And further, taxpayer authorities, while doing search seizure of any of the assessee, can also access the virtual digital space. What is the virtual digital space? Like our emails, our Instagram, Facebook, social media, like LinkedIn, online trading, cloud storage. So means these can be accessed by our income tax department while doing search and seizure. So now we have to be very vigilant while posting any thing on our social media, on our having exchanging of emails, online trading, cloud storage, uh, what we are have in our cloud storage, because these can be checked by the by the tax authorities while doing search and seizures. Further, what are the major differences compared to in previous act? So it expanded the definition of virtual digital assets such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So are fully taxable and clearly defined in the act. Further clarified the capital gain provisions under updated clauses. So improved tax administration tools. So what they have done, so faster refunds even after ITR deadlines, requirement for issuance of notices before actions by officials, restrictions on anonymous introductions to certain religious trusts, and like what is the aim of this direct tax code? So the aim of direct tax code is to make the act more transparent, compliant friendly, and reduce the litigation and modernize the tax framework to align with the digital transformation and evolving economic circumstances. So there is no change in the tax slabs or rates from the budget 2025. The existing old and new tax regime remains intact, and the like 12 lakh, or we can say after considering the standard deduction, 12 lakh 75,000 limit is intact as per budget 2025. There is no change in this act on the rates. So what are the new deductions and credits? So there are certain new deductions and credits are introduced in this act. So by offering incentives for education, green investment, charitable contribution, act encourages the taxpayers to invest in their futures and communities. And these mechanisms not only reduces the overall tax liabilities but also promote social responsibility and financial literacy among the citizens. So, friends, the ultimate conclusion of this Income Tax Act 2025 is that it represents the transformative shift in taxation aiming for fairness, transparency, and empowerment. So, friends, by understanding its key impact and differences, taxpayers can embrace their change as an opportunity to contribute or thrive in an evolving economic landscape. So, together, let's move into the new era of responsible taxation that benefit us all. So, friends, thank you